Some would say that comparing Viagra with Cialis is like apples to oranges. Others would vehemently argue otherwise, saying there's no difference between the two popular ED and PE meds. So which one is the truth? When it comes to a Viagra versus Cialis face-off, which one prevails? Stick with us, we're about to break it all down for you. Activation and longevity times. One of the biggest differentiators between Cialis and Viagra is not only the activation times, meaning the time it takes for the drugs to take effect, but also the longevity or plasma half-life, where the drugs begin to degrade beyond their effectiveness. Sildenafil, Viagra, takes 30 minutes to an hour to take effect, and it lasts roughly 2 to 3 hours. Meanwhile, tadalafil, Cialis, takes 1 to 2 hours to take effect, and it lasts for 17 to 30 hours. For some, activation times are important. While these drugs do limit some spontaneity when it comes to sex, the best part of both sildenafil, Viagra, and tadalafil, Cialis, is that they help to get and keep an erection. Known side effects. Both Cialis and Viagra have several known side effects. By taking either of these ED medications, you're at risk for severe headaches and migraines, a drop in blood pressure, or nausea. Other side effects include flushing or redness of the skin, nasal congestion, and pains in your legs. Since both sildenafil and tadalafil are PDE5 inhibitors, the side effects are similar in both Viagra and Cialis. It's not recommended that you take ED treatments like these if you have heart disease or other related illnesses. They also shouldn't be taken if you've ever had a stroke. Likewise, they shouldn't be taken if you have pulmonary hypertension, diabetes, ulcers, or problems with blood circulation. What's the biggest difference? When we're talking about Viagra, nicknamed the little blue pill, we're really just talking about sildenafil citrate. While sildenafil is the only active ingredient in Viagra, there are also many other inactive ingredients. When it comes to Cialis, tadalafil is the only active ingredient, but remember, there are also many other inactive ingredients as well. So when it comes to the comparison of their effects, both Viagra and Cialis are similar. They both work to treat sexual dysfunction in men who have trouble getting and maintaining erections. While they do vary when it comes to things like activation time and longevity, both are similar when it comes to the array of ED treatments you can choose for treating your erectile dysfunction or premature ejaculation problems. However, when it comes to more of a daily medication, tadalafil, Cialis, is what most men prefer. Why? Because it gives them the ability to be spontaneous. Tadalafil can even last throughout the entire weekend. In fact, it's been called the weekender drug by many. Whereas with Viagra, you're often taking it just before sex. Both will require sexual stimulation, but tadalafil will give you the ability to be far more spontaneous. Aside from taking the generic variations of Viagra or Cialis, there are other options. Here at Alpha Club, we offer one of the leading treatments of ED for men by using another PDE5 inhibitor that is far more selective. It falls somewhere between both sildenafil and tadalafil. Come on over and visit our site today for more information, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.